Now see that beta, question number 3rd we came. Again I am repeating, while you will do the subtraction, be very carefully you will do the subtraction. Okay, as I taught you in my class, in the same way you will follow the rules. Okay, now we are coming to the multiplying, and multiply is same as beta we were multiplying the fractions. Okay, just now in the previous exercise 2.2 you have multiplied the fraction, same way we have to multiply the rational numbers also. Okay, there is no difference between them. See that multiply 3, first write 3 upon 4, by means multiply minus 2 upon 3. Many children in case of multiplication also they are taking beta LCM. No, LCM can be taken only in case of addition and subtraction only. In case of division and multiplication we are not taking LCM. Okay, again I am repeating, only in case of addition and subtraction we are taking LCM. In case of means multiplication or multiply or division we are not taking LCM. See that now what it will become, 3 into minus 2 upon 4 into 3. Okay, numerator and numerator will multiply and denominator will multiply. 3 2 ja 6 minus 6 upon 4 3 ja 12. It will be your answer. How much simply they are. In multiplication and division you should not have any problem. One more part I am doing. Minus 9 upon 8 by minus 4 upon 5. Minus 4 upon 5. What you will do beta? Minus 9 upon 8 multiply by means multiply. Minus 4 upon 5. So what? How you will write? Minus 9 into minus 4 upon 8 into 5. You can see that here what you will write? Minus into minus. What it will become? Plus. Okay. 9 4 ja 36 plus 36 because minus into minus already we have written here, or 8 5 ja 40. So it will be your answer. How much simply we are doing that. Okay, C part one more I am doing, and then the 2 parts I am leaving from you. Okay, 6 upon 7 by minus 1 upon 2. How you will do? 6 upon 7 multiplied by minus 1 upon 2. How you will write? 6 into minus 1 upon 7 into 2. 6 1 ja 6 and it will become minus 6 because only one minus is there, and 7 2 ja 40. So very simple question is that. You will do the rest of the 2 parts of this question yourself because all kinds of the question I have discussed with you here. Okay, now the question number 4 I am going beta, and the question number 4 is divide. Okay, and divide 5 upon 6 by 25 upon 18. 5 upon 6 by 25 upon 18. Division also I taught you in case of the while we were doing fractions. And what I told you beta? Okay, what you have to do here? Divide. What you have to do here? Divide. And for divide what sign we are using? This 25 upon 18. And here 5 upon 6. What I taught you at that time? That it was step 1. Step 1. Write the question in actual form. Whatever it given to you. Okay. Then divide will be converted. Step 3. Step 3. Divide converted. Then changed. Divide sign change into multiply. Change in multiply. Okay, change it in multiply. So what it will become? 5 upon 6 multiplied by, and what I taught you? Reciprocal of 25 upon 18. And reciprocal I taught you there. What I taught you at that time? That numerator will become denominator and denominator will become numerator. So it will become 5 upon 6 multiplied by, write its reciprocal, 18 upon 25. So what it will become? 5 into 18 upon 6 into 25. Everybody of you are able to write them in simplest form. 6 3 ja 18. 6 1 ja 6. 5 1 ja 5, 5 5 ja 25. What is in numerator? What you have now? 1 into 3 upon 1 into 5. 1 into 3 means 3. 5 into 1 means 5. So it will be your answer. How much simply there? Okay. So in this way you will do the question number 4 also. One more part of this question I am doing, and then you will do the rest of the part of this question yourself. Okay. If there is only 1 or 3 is there, then you write something in its denominator. Okay. 1 you will write in case of that in denominator. Better now E part I am doing, because rest of the part are always, all the parts are in this form, means both of them having complete rational number form, but in this here it is not in a complete form. So how I will do? First of all I will write 1 in a form of rational number. How I will write? 1 upon 1. Okay, I taught you now how we are writing the rational number. Always writing 1 its a denominator. 1 upon 1. By means divide, because division question is there. Minus 3 upon 2. Then step 2. Next step is to change divide into convert. Divide, convert, I am writing here, convert divide sign into multiplication. Okay. So what you will do, beta? Write this in place of divide, write multiplication, and it will, first fraction will remain always same. Second, once you will write reciprocal of minus 3 upon 2. So 1 upon 1, reciprocal means numerator will go at the denominator, at the become numerator, and numerator will become denominator. So what it will become? 1 into 2 upon 1 into minus 3. So 2 1 ja 2, 3 1 ja 3. What sign it having? Minus 4 upon 3. So it will be your answer. So up to here I teach you beta till 3.2 question number 4. So till 3.2 question number 4, everybody of you will complete till here, and few questions I have given same kinds of question which I taught you in exercise 3.1. Those question also I am giving you for your homework, so that you may have practice. And up to question number 4, everybody of you, your work should be complete here. Don't leave that you are having the video and anytime you can see them. Better is that whenever you are getting the video, do the that work before starting the next class. Okay. Till that, have a nice day to all of you. Thank you and Jai Gurudev.